Chloe, what you doing? Hey, Chloe. So that was the Hunter Stratford 2 ceiling fan in my kitchen. Happy late National Ceiling Fan Day, or National Fan Day to everyone that's watching this video. Just got back from my friend's house, so that's why I didn't do this video earlier. Next up is my 2020 16-inch Hunter desk fan. And if you guys want to see a video of the 1990 Encon Hugger ceiling fan, that's up on my channel. So you can watch a separate video on that. I'm not going to really film that because that's in my sister's bedroom. And I'm not filming the Hampton Bay that's in my grandparents' bedroom because my grandpa's sleeping. So I can only film two at the moment, which is the Hunter in the kitchen and this one. As you can see, I have customized stickers that I put on it because I'm a 5-year-old kid. No, actually I put them on it because I had nowhere else to put them. And it actually looks pretty good, so. Show you I'll actually do a little walk around on it. Show you. It's the oscillating mechanism. It's the back of the fan. Don't know if you'll see that. It's the back of the fan. Break it down after I run it. I'll show you the data plate. Let's go ahead and start her up on the high speed. It starts out on high speed, so we're going to bring it down to low. So we're going to start it from high to low. This is just powerful. I wanted to take a video of it, but I couldn't. It was a Lasco pedestal fan at my friend's house. So yeah, that's high speed. Bring it down to the medium. That's medium. I haven't turned the Frigidaire on yet, so I'll probably do that at the end of the video. I included, if you saw before, I included the 2015 GE. Well, for a bit, I just zoomed in on it because it was running. And notice how I didn't run the Stratford 2 for that long. I just started it up and then took it off. It's not really ran that much, but it's got a little startup sound to it. I don't know if y'all heard it. Not well. This one has a startup sound to it too, but the Stratford had a startup sound. So this is medium. Go ahead, put it on oscillation. Go ahead and bring it down to low, and then we'll bring it back up to high. And then we'll take the oscillation off and then shut her down. and then show you the data plate. This thing's also pretty powerful on low. Don't know if you could tell by just the wind noise, but it is. I don't have a wind tester. There's the front of the motor. There's medium. And back to high. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say something, but never mind. This thing hasn't ran in a few days. I don't usually run this thing that much. Let's go ahead and take her off oscillation now. I don't really use this fan that much. When it comes to like the cooler side of the year and air conditioning is not needed, I run it. Since I don't have a ceiling fan in here, I'm just gonna use this. Alright, now let's go ahead and do the spin down. There we go. Alright. Alright, here is, sorry if it's a little sideways, it's just how the fan's mounted. Not mounted, positioned. So here is the data plate on it. It is Hunter table fan model 9400, 120 volts AC, 60 hertz, single, 60 hertz, 0.4 amps. See if I could, hold on, I'm trying to focus the camera, so just bear with me. There we are. Oh, come on. 0.4 amps, serial number is 9400 20231. Confirms the UL standard number 507. Thermally protected. Made in China. And then date code is 3220. I don't know. Now, I'm not too sure if that's 2020. But that seems to me that it was made in 2020. So I'm just going to say it's from 2020. If anyone knows how to date code that date code, please put it in the comment section because I'm curious to know. Alright, now let's go ahead and run this thing on the floor. Bring her down. Gently. There we are. Oops, so a little zoomed in. Actually, let's put it right here. And let's go ahead and bring it a little upwards. If anyone knows what numbers those two engines were, please let me know in the comment section down below if you heard it. The train track, the main line's literally right behind the house. So yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and start her up on the high speed. This thing is actually really nice. This fan. I'm gonna actually turn it so there's no wind noise in the camera. and you can see how powerful this thing is just by it blowing the calendar in my C6Z06 poster over there. And this is actually a good time to show you the back of the fan as well. So here's the back of the fan. I'll get a better angle of it, so you can see it running from the back. Just blow it. You can see how powerful it is just by it blowing that shit. Here's the back of the fan. This is the fan while it's running through the back. You can see the motor. Don't know if you can see the motor in there. It's the oscillation. Not going to turn it on. Okay. Bring it down to medium. There's medium. This thing actually sounds pretty good. I'll take the cover off and I'll run it without the cover, and I'll get some startup sounds as well. This is the highest the tilt goes on it, so let's go ahead and bring it down to low. There's the low speed. And you can see that this is a pretty fast low. It's not that slow. Even though it's not that bad, considering the fact of what high velocity fans do. There is what's it called? A fucking Air King high velocity fan. There's an Air King high velocity pedestal fan that's in my culinary class. And that thing's fucking noisy as fuck, bro. If you guys have one or seen one running, you guys know how fucking loud those are. And it's in my classroom too, so I gotta acquire one of those when I get older. Alright, now let's go ahead and take the front cover off and show you what it's like running with, show you what this thing's like without the front cover. Okay, here's the front cover. As you can see, there's the back of it. Then here is the front of the fan without the front cover. So you can see the blades. And it's on there. The blade set. It's on there pretty tight, so it's not gonna come off, even though I am gonna face the fan in that direction so it doesn't do anything. And I'm also gonna run it on low, because I don't know if you can see, yeah, I don't know if you can see it vibrating. I don't know if you can see the fan vibrating from this angle, but it is. Alright, now let's go ahead and turn her off. Alright, now I'm going to put the front cover back on and we're going to get some startup sounds. Alright, so that's the lowest the tilt mechanism goes. Now we're going to get some startup noises, and I'm going to put the camera directly on the motor. So let's go ahead and start her up on the high speed. Actually, I don't know. I'm just going to put the microphone directly on the motor housing and see how this goes. Okay, so there it is. So there's high speed. spin down. I'm not going to show the spin down time because this phone is running out of space for camera footage and other shit as we speak. So here is medium, and I am getting a new camera. Not telling you guys what it is, but it's a different camera. There's medium. Okay, that was medium. Now here's low speed. And that is a C3. If anyone could tell me what that numbers was on that C3 cab car, leading and trailing, please let me know in the comment section down below.